welcome to my channel, NicoGeloTV. This is my second unboxing video. I am going to unbox another toy today. Wow! This is the hotwheelsaction rooftopracegarage. This is nice. It even includes a car. Look, see it? It looks like a police car. And look, this is the set what it looks like when it's closed, and this is what it looks like when it's open. Look, here's a tuning station. This is where you put the gas. This is where you tune, and then this hose is used to wash, and then that lift is used for mechanics to check before the race. Like the suspension, the tires. Hey, let's open it. Wait, ouch, ow, ow, ow. No, it's just so much moving, kids. Whoa. Here's the instruction manual. Here are the stickers. Wait. And this is the set, what it looks like when it's closed. Oh, we can't forget one thing. The car. Put the box here, and voila! Wow, this is nice. This is the a futuristic police car, and its name is the Rooftop. And this is the inside of the car. Okay, let's unfold the car. Let's unfold the set. Hold on. And this is the truck, what it looks like. The track is when it's unfolded. Okay, let's play fun. First, we need to put stickers before we play. This is how the set looks like. Sorry about this one. I was trying to arrange it, but it's broke. Never mind that. Let's put this down. Let's see the tuning station. Look. Nice. Right. This is the launch pad. And these two flags, this is how you let the cars go. And then what if this one will like this or like that? It tells you the winner. But it doesn't go like that or like that. Don't use it. To the tuning shop. What's this? Tuning station. Okay, this is the gas. Let's put this car there, and let's put this right here. Put this right here. And here, this looks like it's the this looks like the garage, the actual garage, the one that fix everything. Hey guys, it's time for a race tournament. First race is a police car versus police car. Second race is the red car versus a red car. Third race is an Audi versus a Honda. And the fourth race will be car shifter versus car shifter. Okay, but first, before we tune up all these cars, but first, to start the race, we need to put this flag in the middle. But some cars are not fast enough, so they need to tune themselves. We'll be back, everyone. Let's tune. It's tune time. Oh, there it is. Ooh, 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 ooh. Next, let's check the tuning, the dyno, Okay, now it's wash. Then let's put this up to check the suspension and the tires. And it's perfect. So let's put it down. And we need to make it faster, so let's just put this into the garage to make it faster. Okay. Okay, guys are done. It's full. Wait, okay. This car is ready. Okay, 4 participants are ready. 40% are not ready. Participants. Put this right there. That. Put this right down here. Put this right there. Put this right there. Okay, go. Okay, ready, go. Ready? This is ready. Okay, all participants are ready. Okay, first race is a police car versus police car. First race competitors, drive up the ramp. Okay, let's put it in. Wait, hold on. Okay, let's put it like that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. The box fell. And this police car won. Sorry for joystick, police car. You're out of the tournament. Winner is this police car. Next race is these reds. Dodge Viper versus Porsche Carrera S. Put them up there. Hang on, guys. Put the box in the end. The truck. And then the Dodge Viper and the participant Dodge Vipers are T10 is too big for this race. It won't even fit. Won't even fit. Yeah, doesn't fit. So sorry, it's too big. Sorry, took out. Sorry, that Dodge Viper is out of the team. So we decided to use this Ford Mustang police version. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh wait, hold on, guys. Flag's not ready. Flag's not ready. Now it's ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, kids, the Ford Mustang police. 1 second race. Sorry, Porsche Carrera, you're not fast enough, so go home. Sorry about this car, big kids. This is slow. Okay, beside the other police car. Next race is the Audi versus the Honda. Okay, strap it up. I bet this Honda will win because this one's slower. Let's see. First we need to put this flag up. 3, 2, 1, go! Yep! The Honda Racer won this third race. Sorry, Audi, you're out. Okay, and the next race will be these car shifters. Okay. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go! And the Hyper Truck won this race. Sorry, Truck Twister. You're out. This is the elimination round. So these are the winners of round 1. It's time for round 2. Round 2. Okay, let's do these ones. Police car versus police car again. Okay, let's jump off the ramp and go down. Ah! Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! The Ford Mustang win this race. 2 points for this Mustang. Sorry, police car, you're out. And next race is the Honda versus the Cybertruck. Okay, 3, 2, 1. The Hypertruck won this race. Sorry, Honda racer, you're out. It's time for the 3rd round, which is the last round. This is the grand finale. So these are the 2 winners. But who will win this grand finale? Let's see. Grand finale. Put some dramatic music. Okay, guys, it's time for the final round. Whoever gets 3 points win the race. 3, 2, 1, go! 1 point for the Mustang. Hypertruck, none. 3, 2, 1, go! 2 points for this Mustang. Still no points for this Hypertruck. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And the Ford Mustang wins the final round. Sorry, Hypertruck, you're out. Other racers will go back home. Oh man. And the winner is the Ford Mustang. Thank you. Okay guys, that's it for my video. This is the Hot Wheels Action Rooftop Race Garage. If you want to see more of my videos, click the big red button that says subscribe. And also, click the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Bye! Remember, always stay happy and play with your toys. Bye!